The Brother MFCL2750DW is a reliable, efficient monochrome all-in-one laser printer designed for home offices, small businesses, or anyone needing frequent document processing. It combines printing, copying, scanning, and faxing with duplex, two-sided capabilities and modern wireless features into one compact, versatile machine. Fast, high-volume monochrome printing, this printer delivers print speeds up to 34 to 36 pages per minute, ppm, letting you finish large print jobs quickly, whether it's reports, documents, invoices, or school tasks. With its laser printing technology, it produces clean, sharp black and white text and graphics, ideal for everyday document printing and professional-looking output. All-in-one functionality, print, copy, scan, and fax. The MFCL2750DW is more than just a printer. It's a full office solution. It supports printing, copying, scanning, and faxing, which means you can handle a variety of tasks without needing multiple devices. Thanks to its built-in features, you can digitize paperwork, duplicate documents, and send faxes, making it very useful for small offices or home workspaces. Automatic duplex printing and single-pass duplex copy scan. One of the standout features is automatic duplex printing, which allows two-sided printing without manual flipping, saving paper and giving a more professional look to documents. Its 50-sheet automatic document feeder, ADF, supports single-pass duplex copying and scanning, meaning the printer can scan or copy both sides of multi-page documents automatically in one go. A huge time saver for heavy document work. Large paper capacity and flexible paper handling. The printer includes a 250-sheet main input tray, reducing the need for frequent paper refills, useful for busy offices or heavy printing. It also supports multiple paper sizes, A4, letter, legal, etc., and paper types, giving flexibility whether you're printing simple documents, legal-size paperwork, or other formats. Wireless connectivity and mobile-friendly printing. With built-in Wi-Fi, also Wi-Fi Direct, plus Ethernet and USB options, the printer allows wireless printing from laptops, desktops, tablets, or smartphones, making printing simple and cable-free. This makes it especially convenient if multiple people in a home or office share the printer, or if you want to print directly from mobile devices. For users printing only black and white documents, such as reports, forms, invoices, or letters, it's a cost-efficient and practical choice compared to color or inkjet printers. In summary, the Brother MFCL2750DW stands out as a fast, reliable, and feature-rich all-in-one monochrome laser printer, perfect for small offices, home businesses, or anyone needing efficient document handling. Its duplex printing, scanning, wireless connectivity, all-in-one functions, and high print speed make it a strong choice for productive everyday printing tasks while keeping operating costs low.